Hey guys, good morning. I wake up today. I didn't really feeling like doing much today, but my wife insisted that I go find something to do. Well, before you know it, she finds something for me to do. Here I am outside cleaning up the front yard, picking up grass, and next thing you know, I got to power wash the whole concrete. So let's go. Stuck around so you can see the final work, and you can go ahead and grade how well I did my job today. Stuck around. See you guys later. Brother-in-law came out the house to give me a hand so we could get the job done quicker. Here's the thing about my brother-in-law. No matter how small the job is, he always want to give you an extra hand so we could get the job quicker. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Let's get to work, man. Come on. Let's go.
I still gotta have you in my life. That ain't a lie. My baby make me feel alive. I'll never die.
Me and bro just got done finished picking up grass around the fence in the front yard. So we're moving on to the power wash the concrete. The concrete is really dirty, a lot of black spot around it. And see, I'm trying to get them out with the power wash. Hopefully they all came out. So let's stick around to see the final work. All right, let's go.
Was thinking that we could be something for real. Now am I wrong?
Am I wrong?
For trying to reach the things that I can't see.
That you see.
Yo, Vanessa got the
That's just how I
sauce.
feel.
Ooh,
That's just how I feel.
that's just how I feel.
Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Yeah. You think I'm wrong, right? But I do what thing is right. Can't handle you on my worst days. I lost too much, that's why I don't celebrate my birthdays. I lost too much, that's why I've been falling the earthquakes. I lost too much.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Look, 什么是错，什么是对，什么是what I can't say.
Quick run to the gas station because the machine ran out of gas. That sucks. This is why I need to get me an electric power washer. Electric on TikTok. I need to get me one because they drink too much gas, bro. You fill it up right now, the next second they're running out of gas. So now I'm running to the gas station to go get some gas. Bear with me. Let's enjoy the ride. Let's go. Gas station. It's not too far from here. I think less than a mile away. I think this is where I'm heading at. I'm heading to that one to get some gas. It's mad cheap as well. So, woo. The job is done. I'm hungry and tired. As you can see, the front quarters look so different, more clean. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to the channel. Next time, peace.